Yes, little one. I'm a big number, but I wouldn't be here at all if it weren't for you. Look how far we've come. Remember when there was only one, then 10 ones made 110. With a 1 and a 0. Now we've reached a new place, a place of possibilities. A new friend, a new face, and a brand new kind of hero. I'm big.
So big.
I'm really, really, really big. I am gigantic.
Gigantic.
Did I mention I was big? I'm tall.
100. I am 100. 10 lots of 10.
Very big.
1, 2.
I'm so big you'll need a quicker way to count. If you count 10 tens, 1 10 at a time, you'll reach the right amount. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
She's square.
I'm 10 by 10, that makes me square.
She's impressive. Now I've noticed that she's square.
1, 4, 9, 16, 25. You'll know when all the squares arrive, 'cause I'm square. I'm one big,
100.
massive square.
I am 100. 10 lots of 10.
You can't help being quite impressed. Great. We all think she's the best.
But I'm
20.
one of you. I'm one with
30.
you. It takes 100 ones to make
40.
one me. I won't make fun of
50.
you. I'm not done
60.
with you. Inside I'm just like anyone you'll see.
70.
But I'm big.
So big.
I'm really, really
80.
somewhat big. I'm tremendous.
90.
I'm proud that I'm so big.
100. I am 100. 10
That's
lots of
big.
10.
Unquestionably big.